Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best faucet balls that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Faucet Balls. Ball faucets are very common in kitchen sinks and were the first type of washerless faucet. They are identifiable by their single handle that moves over a rounded ball-shaped cap right above the base of the faucet spout. The ball faucet has a single handle that controls a special plastic or metal ball inside the faucet body. This ball has chambers or slots in it, along with rubber O-rings and spring-loaded rubber seals. Number 10. Danco 80706 DL6 Ball Assembly. Repair your leaky faucet with Delta Peerless Faucets. Repairing your faucet is an economical alternative to replacing the entire faucet fixture. Main features. Plastic construction provides durability for hot and cold water. Compares to Delta RP212. Number 9. Delta 30018 Faucet Ball Valve Kit. Faucet Ball Valve Kit for Delta DE10. Includes stainless steel ball high-quality construction. Quality replacement part. This item Delta Faucet Ball Valve Kit. Main features. High-quality construction. Great value. Quality replacement part. Number 8. Valley Pop-Up Ball Rod Assembly 61 to 4884. Due to increased demand, we temporarily have reduced product selection available for delivery to your region. We are working to improve selection availability. Main features. Ball rod pivot nut. Clevis clip. For Valley Pop-Up Ball Rod Assembly. Number 7. Plumcraft 7,637,450 Faucet Ball and Rod. 7,637,450 Faucet Ball and Rod. Due to increased demand. Main features. Fits many popular brand pop-ups. Contains one ball and rod assembly with spring clip. Carded. Number 6. Bathroom Faucet Part Blue Glass Ball Knob Lever 1 Handle. Light blue ball knob for lever handle faucet. The ball is made of glass and the base is polished chrome. Main features. Glass ball lever. Works with chrome faucets, 17,410. Works with chrome faucets, 17,411. Number 5. Delta Faucet RP212, Silver/Pewter. We don't think you'll need to repair your faucet, but just in case you do, we've made some parts available for you to order. Single handle faucets. Main features. Ball assembly. Genuine Delta repair part. For use in all single knob handle faucets. Number 4. Danco 88532 Universal Pop-Up Drain Ball Rod Assembly. Danco is one of the largest plumbing repair, replacement and remodel suppliers in the home improvement industry. Main features. Replaces most ball rod assemblies. Durable construction. Does not include nut or rod clip. Number 3. Delta Faucet RP 20111 Conversion Ball. The conversion stainless steel ball to change a single handle knob style faucet to a lever style. Main features. Converts knob to lever handles. Replaces RP212 ball. For single handle knob lavatory faucets. Number 2. Delta Faucet RP70 Lever. Made to original specifications. Rigorously tested to ensure quality performance. Compliant with California and Vermont low lead legislation. Main features. Designed exclusively for Delta faucets. Made to original specifications. Rigorously tested to ensure quality performance. Number 1. 6 1/4 inch, Chrome 1 Pack 86,783. Danco is one of the largest plumbing repair and remodel suppliers in the home improvement industry, focused largely on empowering. Main features. Pop-up rod connects the stopper to the lift rod. Rod length is 6 1/4 inch. Includes nut rod ball and clevis. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.